Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to do the quick unboxing of this Lasfit, the mud flap for the Tesla Model Y. Okay, so and then after we do the unboxing, I'm going to do the installations so you guys can take a look and see how it looks. So let's start off. One set, so let's see what comes inside. And what tells you on the back right here, this is right back seat. This one, does it come with any clip? Not yet. Okay, but that's one. It's going to be a total of four, two rear and then two front. This one's front passenger seat right there. Same thing. And then it comes with a bunch of clips. And yeah, this one left back seat, and this one is front driver. And like usual, the instructions, the manual. Right here, 4 packs. 2 front, 2 rear, bunch of screws. Tesla Model Y, model number LTE-MYS01. Okay, and here is the installations, which I'll be showing you guys, and the package comes included. Okay, and on the back, 1 year hassle-free warranty, which is really good. Okay, and here's some of the FAQs if you people that are asking. One of them, does it fit in the Model 22 Model Y? And it's yes. And here's are they easy to clean? Yes, it is very easy to clean. You just need to rinse it with a water gun and when you wash your car. Okay. I installed the base nor one, so now I'm gonna remove it. I should move the wheel to the other side. You see there's a little clip here. Kind of put it some back. Make sure it gets into this one right there. You gotta go in there. You gotta clip on there, and then before we can do it. There we go. Once it goes in like that, and now we just put in the 2 clip that we have. One of them there. And the other one goes into there. All right, once it's in, we just need to put these things in, and then we screw it in. And this little screw. And this one, just push it in and go in. Yeah, just push it in and it goes in. There we go, it's in. That's one. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Quick and simple. All right, then we do the one on the back. 1 screw, 2 screws, and then the one on the bottom. The one on the bottom, you actually have to loosen it. It's like a 10mm bolt like this. Okay, but like this, same thing like the front. You put it back here, make sure you clip onto the fender, stick it up, rub it against it, and just put the push clip in. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the hole? I need to find the hole. Okay, there it is. Once you find it, push it in. It's in. And this one, where is it? There it is. So once it's in, push it in. Push it in. And go in. Done. And then on the bottom one, you just tighten it. This is the only one with the 10mm bolt that you needed to tighten it in. And then you do like a ratchet, or like this. Perfect. Đẹp. Ok. Xong rồi coi như là làm xong hết rồi đó. Quay phim mà nói luôn. Alright guys, so we just completed the installations. It's fairly easy. You really don't need any drill, anything other than like towards the end, the back side, you just need a 10mm wrench or a ratchet, whatever, and to install. But as you can see, just two little clip here, and make sure this flapper here is snipping, or it goes in behind this fender plastic, and that's it. And going to the back, it's similar as well. Again, one here, and then just make sure this little part snap the black trim right here, and then the very bottom there's a screw, 10mm, and screw that one, put it in, and you're set to go. And that's pretty much it. It looks pretty nice. Okay, so it's probably take, if I don't have to stop and do this, probably take me about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to do the install. But it's quick and simple. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions about the install, where to buy them, I'll list everything in the description part. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.